Welcome back. Today's phrase is powerful but tricky. Don't waste your time. Usually we say this to stop someone from doing something useless. But is it always useless? Let's watch. John, what on earth are you doing? It's 2 a.m.
Shh! I am creating art, Anna. I am knitting a scarf. A legendary scarf.
A scarf? John, that looks like a red spider web attacked a tomato.
It is abstract design. I want to give a handmade gift for the homeless shelter charity drive tomorrow. It must be perfect.
John, the charity drive starts in 5 hours. You have 2 inches of scarf.
Rome wasn't built in a day, but this scarf will be built tonight.
John, seriously, you are tired, you are hungry, and you are terrible at this. Don't waste your time. Just buy a nice warm scarf and donate it. It's easier.
Betrayal! Easy as for the weak, Anna. I will finish this.
John knitting while brushing his teeth. John knitting while doing squats. John trying to drink coffee without using his hands because his hands are tied in yarn. John, are you alive?
I did it! I finished!
Oh, wow. It's certainly unique.
Who am I kidding? It's a disaster. You were right, Anna. I just wasted my time. 5 hours for a piece of junk. No one will want this.
Hey, wait. It's not perfect, John. But look, you tied this knot because the yarn broke, right?
Yeah, I fixed it 3 times.
Exactly. You didn't just buy something, you gave your sleep, your energy, and your frustration. That's not a waste. That's care.
But it's ugly.
It's warm, and it has a story. I'll buy a scarf for the shelter, but this one, I'm keeping it. Because time spent trying to do something good is never wasted.
Even if it looks like a tomato spider web?
Especially then. Now go sleep. Don't waste your time arguing with me.
Okay, good night, Anna.
See? Don't waste your time is great advice for useless things, but for things you love or for people you care about, take all the time you need. Thank you for listening. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe to help others learn English too.